Well, we're during the COVID time. There's a rare chance you're going to see me not wearing this mask, but I want to show you my new expansion. Let's go this way over here. These are all the old rooms that we've had, and what's really great is that just at the time of the opening of this COVID crisis, we've been able to expand all of our rooms now. So let's go over here and we'll take a look. This is all the new wing here. The reason why I find it so great is that we can socially distance so far apart. Let's keep on coming this way. This over here is our new hair transplant room. That's Susanna, say hi. Hi. So it greatly expanded, much larger than it was. As we come down this way here, new bathroom is a third bathroom. Sterilization corridor. This is all my new art here. It has not been completed yet in terms of hanging. New photo room has not been completed. New nursing station over here. Let's come over this way. We're about to do a mirror dry. This is Joy. Some of my new artwork over here. Here is my new laser room. You can see over here. This is a pastel I did of my family. This is all new art from last year. And this is another treatment room over here. We have now, I believe, 12 treatment rooms. Next room over here. Here's another watercolor over here. What we've done over here is, you see, these are UV cleansers. They clean out, with a HEPA filter, they clean out the room, and we don't, in about 15 minutes. So the air is completely purified, and patients are segregated per room, brought directly to the room, all to socially distance. There are no companions sitting around, and this allows not only the surface to be clean, but the entire air to be clean. A lot of places say, well, I disinfect all the surfaces. Well, how about the air? The air is polluted, and that's the real problem. So all my staff are highly protected. We ask you to wear a mask during this time. It's a weird time we live in right now. And I always tell my patients, I have patients that go from this is a hoax all the way to this is serious. And I say, I don't really care what your belief is, so long as I'm at the highest level of cleanliness. And if I'm at way over here, there's a rare chance you're gonna see me without a mask, that at least you're safe, because I'm the vector of transmission. If I stay safe, you're safe. So we have these UV protection that cleans the entire room in 15 minutes. So we have a 2 to 4 time air clean out between patients, just to show you. Here, you can see how socially distanced we are. This room over here is the final room over here. So we have all new rooms, all new surgery centers. Everything is so huge, and that's only the new expansion that I showed you. So we're proud to be open, we're proud to be safe, and I hope you like this new expansion.